And now to our discussion segment. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future. It is the present. Businesses that fail to embrace AI-empowered automation, predictive analytics, and customer engagement strategies risk being left behind. Here in Nigeria, artificial intelligence is becoming a powerful tool for businesses, helping them streamline operations, generate new ideas, and stay ahead of the curve. But what does this look like for our local entrepreneurs? How can AI help them grow, compete, and tackle everyday challenges? Joining me in the studio to explore how Nigerian businesses can tap into AI's potential is Mrs. Grace Davies, business and legal advisor, as well as tech enthusiast. You're welcome to Business Express.
Thank you very much.
Okay, beautiful. Well, let's begin by you telling us how AI has actually changed the way we do business from strategy to execution.
Okay, so in the world we live in now, AI has simplified things for a businessman. As an average entrepreneur, you need a social media marketer. You want to open a website to get visibility. With AI tools, you can do all of this easily. AI has transformed and helped businesses grow and reach greater heights more than they can ever imagine. With AI, now I can decide from the comfort of my home to start a business, get a social media presence, get a Google presence, and also get a website all through AI. I don't need to hire a website developer. I have AI, there are different AIs to do that now. One of them can be Elementor. I don't have a background in accounting, but I want to keep my sales book in order to have access to grants and loans. You can do that with AI. There are different AI apps for that now. So AI is the future.
Access to grants or loans?
Yes, access to grant and loans, because with AI, there are AI apps you can use to prepare your accounting books. No body would give you a loan or a grant without seeing the progress of your company, even if it's a startup. Like, okay, in the last 6 months, what sales have you made? If you don't have a good background in bookkeeping, you might not know exactly how to keep your books. But with AI now, you can keep your books easily. You don't need to.
So you don't need to employ anybody?
No, you don't need to employ anybody.
But is that an encouraging thing, actually?
No,
because
not that you
today
don't need to employ.
We are talking about engaging more people. And then my question is, does this guarantee success of your business, by adding, AI advantage?
90%.
Does this guarantee your business, success in your
Yes,
business?
90%. And let me correct you there. It doesn't mean you don't have to employ people. It means that you can start when you don't have the resources to employ people.
Okay.
Because a lot of people are set back to employ a website builder now costs about 700,000 to ₦1 million, depending on the type of website you want to build. Now, with necessary AI tools, you can go ahead and pay for your domain name and build it on your own, at least for the basic stage, before you move to the complex part where you actually need a website developer, someone to help you maybe encrypt some codes. That's when you're building something heavy. But for someone with just a landing page, yes, you can. And AI guarantees success because, okay, let's say you want to start a fashion business, a thrift fashion business, and you don't know exactly, you're an indoor person, an introvert, you don't have friends, you don't know how to start. Putting it on social media does not guarantee success. But with the necessary AI tool, you have optimization of your social media presence. Even when people search for you around the area, with the necessary AI tools, people can access and see your business and reach out to you. And it also automates even payments. Even payments now, so you don't even necessarily need to bother yourself about payments. Like, we have different tools that handles that. You put them on your platform and people make payments and you're good to go.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay, now, what is the current state of AI adoption in Nigerian businesses? And are we seeing widespread adoption, or is it still in its infancy stage?
I would say it's still in its infancy stage,
Okay.
because most businesses are still finding it hard to incorporate AI into a lot of them. Yeah, a lot of startups are.
Why do you think that is taking time to actually embrace that?
Because I would say, first and foremost, the average Nigerian businessman does not believe in the internet. Yes, they feel it's unsafe. There's the issue of security. They feel like, oh, if I have my business online and everything is automated, it can be hacked. Yes, those issues are there, but there are also ways, AI tools you can also use to ensure the safety of your business and ensure you're safe from hackers, malware, spamware, and the rest.
Any ideas on those internet tools that we can actually
use for safety?
Yeah.
None of them are coming to mind at the moment, but yes, there are quite a number of them. Yeah.
Okay, so now it's an infancy stage.
Yes,
so,
it is.
In your own position as you are a tech enthusiast.
Yes,
right?
I am. Yes, I am.
But I don't know how much you've ventured into business. And what, from your experience, what do you think we need to do actually to bring those people on board? Because AI is the future. The future is here already. So how do we take advantage of this? You've said how we could possibly, the things we need to do, but how do we get other people on board? Because as far as I'm concerned, what we are talking about is actually attracting the normal customers that we see around us now. With AI, you can go beyond that. You can explore the digital space.
Yes.
So how do we encourage people to actually embrace AI?
Okay, so...
And don't forget that there's this, there have been reports that AI is going to take our jobs.
Yes, that is a misconception. And I would implore every business owner to, in as much as you have people in different sectors, encourage them to use AI to enhance their jobs. If you have a videographer, ask them, hope you have AI tools you're using to edit your videos. If you have a social media marketer, ask them, or make sure, be willing, let them know that, okay, it's okay for you to use AI tools to do this, even though I'm paying you. You can also use AI tools to enhance your job, because what we want is deliverables and speed and efficiency. So with AI, it can give you that. So don't say, oh, most employers are like, because I'm paying you, I don't want to invest in AI tools. Employers should invest in AI tools. They should build their departments with the necessary AI tools for those departments. They should ask questions and ideas from their employees, and also allow them to be willing to explore AI. Yeah.
Okay, is it just to encourage them to use AI tools, or to also train them? What about capacity building? How does that,
yes.
Does that actually help?
Yes, it helps a lot. Yes. When I say encourage, it also goes with training, because you don't encourage, if you bring a particular AI to, a lot of people think AI helps you. AI is literally, it modifies what you give it. So if you don't know what to put to AI, the right prompts, it won't give you what you want. So training is very essential. Yes, I implore people to train their staffs on the usage of AI and to use it in their day-to-day life. Like ChatGPT should be your friend. Gemini should be your friend. Those are apps you can have on your phone that can help you with proposals. Just tell it exactly what to do. Start from there, as little as ChatGPT. Companies should not shy away from having a paid version, because the paid version is always more advanced than the free version. But for every Nigerian out there, have ChatGPT on your phone. Use ChatGPT from day to day. Use Gemini, check online research, and you would see that it will make your life easier. Like if you have a meeting now as a secretary, and you need to create minutes of meetings, you don't have to be there physically, and you don't even have to write minutes of meetings. You can use Firefly. Firefly is an AI tool that creates minutes of meeting from beginning to the end. So there are a lot of AI tools you can use. You just have to research, and you get the right knowledge you want. So.
Okay. Ms. Davies, it's a pleasure having you on the program.
Thank you very much.